Hello everyone. Let's learn the next shortcut to find the characteristic equation of a matrix A of order 2. The characteristic equation of a matrix A of order 2 is given by the formula A square minus trace of A into A plus determinant of A into I is equal to 0. Here the trace of A is basically the sum of the diagonal elements of the matrix A. To understand this shortcut and to know the application of it, let's try one question. Here the matrix A is given as 1 minus 3, 2, k, where k is the unknown which we are supposed to find out. Of course, we are given another equation here. So let's take down. The given data says a square minus 4a plus 10i minus a equal to 0. Simplifying this equation, we get a square minus 5a plus 10i is equal to 0. Now we know that from the shortcut, the coefficient of a is nothing but trace of a. So here in this equation we have the coefficient as 5. Therefore, trace of a is supposed to be equal to 5 in this particular question. But from the matrix we know the trace is nothing but 1 plus k, which is the sum of the diagonal elements, and that will be equal to 5. Therefore, we can say k must be equal to 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. So therefore, option C must be the right answer. Here is another question where the matrix A is given to us and an equation is also given. There are two unknowns alpha and beta whose sum we are supposed to find out. Let's first consider the given equation alpha a square plus beta a minus 2i is equal to 0. Maybe I'll call this equation as 1. Further, we have the characteristic equation of A given as a square minus the trace of A. Here the trace is nothing but the sum of the diagonal elements supposed to be equal to minus 4. That makes it plus 4 into A plus determinant of A is minus 5 minus of minus 4 becomes plus 4 into I is equal to 0, and this we can further simplify and write it as a square plus 4a minus I is equal to 0. Now this is the characteristic equation, but before we compare this equation with the given equation, we better make the coefficient of I same in both equations. So I'm going to multiply this equation with the 2 here. So we get 2a square plus 8a minus 2i is equal to 0. Now I will call this equation as 2. Comparing the first and the second equation, we have alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 8. Therefore, alpha plus beta must be equal to 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10. So answer is option D. Here are few practice exercises. You could try these questions and you will definitely understand this shortcut in a better way. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.